French incumbent President Emmanuel Macron won the 2022 French presidential runoff with 58.2% of the votes, according to the preliminary exit poll released Sunday evening by French television BFM TV.
According to the latest figures, Macron's rival, far-right-wing candidate Marine Le Pen, gained 41.4% of the votes. At his victory gathering, Macron said that his ambition for the next 5 years is to make France more independent, make a stronger Europe and to continue to invest in the country to make France a great ecological nation. In his speech, he vowed to be conscious of the citizens that have voted for Le Pen, and thanked those who have voted for him in the second round against the far-right party. Official results of the presidential runoff are expected to be published by the French Interior Ministry on Monday.